It was the most, as I say, permissive, fun, free, liberating, joyful experience I've ever had on set because of these incredible actors and really because of Jonah as well.
These guys are incredible. The whole movie lives or dies on the three of their friendship, and the assignment was to pretend like you're best friends, and they immediately were able to drop in. They're such professionals, but individually they are such phenomenal people, and I'm forever grateful to have directed them.
Matt said the Jonah it was a very permissive area, like space, safe space. So every time we were in front of the camera, we really didn't know what was going to be asked of us, which made it so much fun. And you're never like you're leaving the day going like, wow, that was the most unique day I think I've had. And then the next day is like, wow, I think that was the most unique day, So it was just so much fun. And these guys are just incredible. Yeah, poor Keanu was like in this tortured state the entire time. And me and Matt were like, it's okay, babe. You're good. We got you. It's okay.
Working on this movie was such a dream. My first two movies were quite small and intimate, and I managed to really scale up but still keep the movie very intimate, which I'm very proud of. It doesn't feel like it feels bigger with more, Benoit shot it and these huge actors and incredible actors, but it still feels like the feelings I wanted it to feel like. And so I have the dream life. I get to be a dad, and I get to write and edit these movies, and then when I shoot them, I'm with my best friends and then make new best friends. And these people are truly, they're like just a joy and utter light to be around.
Well, it's circumstantial for him because, he's doing it for very specific reasons. I learned long ago to not do that anymore because you're going to find whatever you're looking for, and the answer you need to be looking for is probably inside you and not out there.